Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my color Curate unboxing for the month of July. So if you guys like unboxings, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more. This is the color Curate subscription. It comes every month. You get 4 full-size products plus a limited edition bag for $20.95. Such a weird amount, but that is what it is. It's the brand So Susan Cosmetics owns this, and then there are like some other brands that get thrown in there too, but I think they're all owned by So Susan. I think she's like the parent company, but I could be wrong. But this is what this month's bag looks like. It's a really pretty pink, and then it's got some beautiful women in bathing suits all over it. And then the last month and this month both, we got like this gift bag looking thing. It says So Susan, and it says skincare, color and performance. It does look different than last month's bag, but it is really cute. It's got some like abstract women on the front, and it's cute. So I do like getting these. I think they're fun and they're great for like reusable gift bag kind of situations. But let's go ahead and open this up. It does look like this. You do get a card every month, which I appreciate so much. So this is the July 2020 bag. It doesn't really have a theme, they never do, but the cards always match the, what is this, bag? And then it always has a limited edition bag worth $12. So they say that the bags are worth $12. And let's go ahead and pull the first thing out. This is by So Susan. This is the Color Crush Lip and Cheek Tint. I think I already have one of these. Hopefully it's a different color. Tranquil Day is the shade of this. I do think I have a different color, so I'm not too mad about that. I don't even know. I don't know if I still have it. I might have decluttered it. But here is this. They are cute, and ooh, I do like this shade a lot. I might wear, I don't know. I don't want to swatch it because I don't think I'll use it, but it is really pretty. You can put it on your lips or your cheeks. I'm just not into like cream cheek products, and I don't like potted things to put my fingers in to put on my lips. I could use a lip brush, but let's be realistic, I'm not going to. But this is a really pretty lip color, so if it was like a stick, then I would be down. But I'm not gonna swatch this because I know myself and I know I won't use it, but this retails for $24. That's crazy expensive for that. Next thing is bubble wrapped. This is Pop the Bubble. This is Tranquil Cosmetics. This is the Eye Candy Highly Pigmented Eyeshadow Duo. Pretty sure we got one of these last month too. This is in the shade Fudge. I think it's in the shade Fudge. Yeah, I got a different color in this, but I'm not gonna swatch this either. It's so pretty. I like this one a lot better than the last one. Should I swatch it? Matches my shirt kinda. I don't know. I kinda really like this. I'm gonna swatch it. I don't know that I'll actually reach for this, I'll be honest, but I do like Tranquil Cosmetics eyeshadows. I think they're really pretty. Yeah, and I'm regretting swatching it, but those are pretty. Yeah, I don't know. This retails for $14. Prices on these things are crazy, but this is all cruelty-free and vegan. I forgot to mention that, but you guys probably know that by now. I've also had this before. This is the Jelly Punk Cosmetics Cosmic Light Multifunctional Pigments. It's in the shade Disco. I don't think I've had that shade, but I have had all of these products before, just different shades. So don't love that, but it's not even like closed all the way. Can you see? Yeah. There we go. I don't think I'm gonna open this either, you guys. It's really pretty. I just don't really reach for loose glitters, but that is a pretty shade. This retails for $18. The lid does not want to go on here, right? Yeah, the lid is like funky. It doesn't lay right. Okay, whatever, we'll mess with that later. The last thing in here is by So Susan. Oh, okay, this is the Nudify Liquid Matte Set. It's 3 liquid lipsticks. This I'm pumped for. This retails for 28 bucks. So the little blush is like the same price as these pretty much. Crazy, but okay. Ooh, they're like big ones too. That's cute. This is in the shade. Oh, they don't have shade names. You're kidding me. Oh, pumpkin. Okay. Smells weird. I don't even know how to describe what that is, but it's weird. There's that one. That's really pretty. The ones are super small, so that would be helpful to be like precise. This one's in the shade Peach Nude. I wonder if they all smell the same. Yeah. It almost smells kind of like pumpkin, but like pumpkin seeds, not like pumpkin pie. There's that one. These are really mousse-like. Dropping things. And the last one is called Moon Nude. That one's really pretty. It's such a weird smell. If you guys have ever smelled these, tell me what they smell like. There's that one. That one's gonna be real pretty. Okay, I'm pumped about these. That's exciting. So quick recap. We got the 3 liquid lips, which I am excited for. I'm always down to try a new liquid lip, and they're all nude shades. They're all really pretty shades too. I really like that Moon Nude. The rest of it I'm not super excited about. Like, these are really pretty shades, but I know myself well enough to know that I'm probably not gonna reach for them, and I really shouldn't have swatched them, but I just wanted to. So I'll just pass this on to like a friend probably. But it is pretty. The glitter I would be excited for if I wore glitter, but I just never really do. I don't know why. I much prefer like a metallic shadow over like a loose glitter. I just always been that way. I don't know. I feel like it's just too messy and it annoys me. And the blush thing, I don't know. I feel like I should give it a fair try, but at the same time, like, I just know myself enough to know that I'm not gonna use it. Like, it's really pretty. It'd be a super pretty color on your lips, but I don't know. Maybe I should try it. Maybe I'd love it so much that I would actually just start using it. Should we try it on? Let's try it on, I guess. That's an eyeliner brush. Do I have a lip brush? I don't even know if I have one. We'll use this, I guess. What is this? This is a concealer brush? Are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm gonna try it, I guess. Oh, it's a pretty pink color. I just have a chapstick on right now, so this is fine. I do like this color. Do I like it enough that I'm going to take the time out of my day to use a lip brush, though, is the question. Maybe. I do like it. Okay, I'm not mad at that. So this will definitely go in my lip stuff, not my cheek stuff, though. Also, these have dried down pretty matte. They're not really moving much. Not too bad of a transfer, so that's good. But yeah, that's everything in the bag this month. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this, what you think of it. Do you like it? Does it annoy you that we get, like, I don't want to say repeat because they're never, that's a lie. I have had the same exact stuff before, but I usually get variations of colors, and I don't know, I'm kind of starting to get over it a little bit. Does it annoy you guys? Am I dramatic? Let me know. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings, unbaggings, or anything else. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.